perfect.
Like me.
Like you.
Where am I supposed to sit?
Be right here. Squat.
I have bad knees.
We're like those 80s family pictures. Like, look off. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Also, I would like to thank Esalon for sponsoring this video. Today's video is going to be my Ty's turn to take his aggression out on me.
Look at my hair. Look what she did to me.
For what I did to his hair.
You actually did a good job. It looks really good with my haircut though.
Thank you so much.
It's still got a little bit of redness to it, but...
yeah, we're going to tone it again on Friday though to get the rest of the yellow out, but I think it looks so freaking good.
You killed it.
So in today's video, he's going to take his aggression out on me. I have some gray roots.
Some.
Let's do a zoom in. This is how gray my roots are.
She's a silver fox.
I even have some in the front. Let's not get like too close.
Oh no, we're getting
Oh
in.
God.
Look how long the grays are. How long's it been?
It's been too long. Esalon is made to order customizable hair color at home. And what you do is you take a quiz and then you talk to a colorist and then they mail you your hair dye with everything with it. You guys can get your first order from Esalon for $10. Guys, I just wanted to show you guys how it comes because I just opened the box. So it's your color your way and it comes in a box like this with gloves, the kit. It even says Laura's color. It has the developer, it has the brush, and then inside here, some really cute blue clippies to keep your hair pinned back, a timer, and the mixing bowl, and it also has all the instructions. This little bag's cute too. So yeah, it comes with everything you need.
We haven't done one this professional yet.
I know, it's really cute. They have everything.
We usually just buy like a quick little one from Walmart.
Also, just a tidbit about Esalon is in 2019, they won Allura's Best of Beauty, Best at Home Hair Color Kit. Award for the best hair, and congrats to them, and they won 5 years in a row. All right, and now we're gonna jump right in. You thought you were cool doing that, didn't ya?
Are you ready for this?
For starters, I'm wearing an old t-shirt, so...
It's not that old, it's my t-shirt. They send you even more pairs of gloves than you need. How kind of them.
I know, they thought of everything.
I've never seen any of these come with gloves. Do they come with gloves usually?
Yes.
Oh.
These are my instructions. Laura's instructions.
Okay.
So,
guys, so I put the clips in.
You didn't, but it said to section my hair off in 4 sections. But Ty does have his own method in doing this.
I have done this before.
Here's the
just
secret.
So
this isn't his first time doing this.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and mix the developer and the color together and give it a shake.
You want me to do that?
Yeah, you're supposed to be wearing gloves, so I'll let you do it.
The whole thing?
Yeah, that's it. You pour it in and shake it.
All
It
right.
is the whole thing.
Here we go. I poured it into the bottle.
Oh, nice. And I'm going to go ahead and use the stain guard that they give you, but they also have the stain remover if you do get a little staining. But Ty is really good at not doing that. It's kind of like a Vaseline-y substance. And I'll get my ears really good. Ooh, give it a shake. Well, I guess I gotta do both my ears.
Where were those ear protector things at when I was getting my hair dyed?
I know, I was technically supposed to do this, but I didn't have the kit. You have everything in this kit. I know.
Esalon just does it all for you.
They really do. I'm not kidding. Okay.
Okay, I think it's good and shook it. So I'm just actually gonna dump it into the bowl because it was easy to mix it in this, but I wanna use the brush.
Ooh, it smells good. Not the hair dye, but the stain repellent, stain guard.
Stain repellent.
It stays on for 20 minutes. The timer goes off.
All right, girl, you ready for this? What's going on with these clips here? This is in the way.
Oh shoot, sorry, here. How's that?
That's perf.
Okay, guys, he is starting the process. Ooh, I love it.
You like the way it feels?
Yeah.
So this is probably what, like the 3rd time that I've done this for you?
Yeah, this will be the 3rd time. Honestly, he just does it because I'm too lazy and I like to be pampered.
Honestly, it's kind of like therapeutic doing this though. I could see how somebody could be like a hairdresser because you got to get the whole head.
For sure.
It's like putting together a puzzle like you like.
What happens when it comes out bad though for hairdressers? Like, what do you do?
Imagine this comes out and I'm like bleaching your roots.
I would just leave it and pretend that this is what I planned.
Most of Laura's grays like to live at her crown.
Look at you go. Part that hair.
Oh, I'm a parter.
Yes,
It
queen.
didn't work.
Okay, let's get that. You want me to part it? No. I can part it.
How far should I go? Like a 1/2 inch?
No, like, yeah, 1/2 inch. I'm sorry,
Okay.
that's right.
And then... alley-oop. Look at that. It's almost like I'm a profesh.
So, Ty, you've known me with gray hair forever, like.
Yeah, you've had gray hair since I've known you.
Right?
This girl started going gray in high school.
I did.
So much stress in high school.
Oh my God. No, it's just hereditary.
Is
My mom did too.
But your mom, like, her hair is white.
Yes.
But does she dye it that color, or is it naturally coming out that color?
You know, I'm going to be very honest. I
You have
don't
no
know.
idea.
Mom will answer that. I feel like that parting was too thick at the back.
It was beautiful.
Are you
No.
sure? I feel
No.
like, see, that's way too much hair, babe. That's like 2 inches.
That's not 2 inches. You want me to
You
get a
gotta
ruler?
get a little less hair. Yeah, do that in half. That's so much better. See? There you go. I don't mind the grays that much. The thing is, if I let it grow out, then I wouldn't care. But it's like, I try to keep them dyed because I haven't let it grow out. I'm not letting it grow out, so it's like, just like half my parts of my hair are gray, you know? I'd rather be dedicated or not dedicated, not sitting in the middle.
Okay, I would like to make a comment right now, what I've noticed from the last time I dyed your hair.
Do it a little thicker, a little more hair dye.
Okay, last time I dyed your hair, I had to be careful because you had ombre hair.
Oh my God,
And
you're
now
right.
I don't have to be careful. Why don't we just dunk your whole head in this?
No, babe. You can
sure?
use so much more dye than that. Yeah, like that. Glob it on. Yes.
Let's just glob it in there.
Maybe, you know.
You said a lot.
I didn't say he was a pro. I said he's done it before.
What is that
So
supposed
right
to
now, when
mean?
you're leaving your comment, I'm just kidding. He's doing such a great job. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. You know, I try.
Okay, let's talk about a dog.
What?
Why we don't have a dog. People ask all the time. I just try to answer their questions.
We don't have a dog because we have 4 cats, and I would never put our cats through that stress.
You know.
Granted, I would like a dog, but I mean, that's kind of the reason. It's not really much else to it. If a cat passes away, God forbid, I say God forbid, don't look at me like that, then we would get a dog.
That would be the worst day of life.
No, honestly, 2 cats would have to go.
Yeah, like 4 cats is a lot, guys.
3 cats and a dog's too much.
Get way more hair dye, babe. You didn't put enough on.
Hey,
You gotta glob it.
stop critiquing my work. I can see your grays.
Yeah, I need you to get them.
What do you think I'm doing?
Okay, so Ty, I get asked all the time, when are we gonna have babies?
You really trying to talk about that right now?
Well, I have a 15-year-old and 4 cats, so I'll admit, I mean, there's never a good time, but Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like you can't really plan to have a kid because
Yeah.
there's no good time to have a kid.
Yeah.
So you might as well just have one.
Okay.
And that's where I'm going to end that conversation. I'm just kidding. Right now is not a good time for us. It is nowhere, like, we just got 15, going on 16 in a month. Like, teaching her how to drive and everything like that. It's
I think
been
we'll do
crazy. Yeah, there's not much gray back here.
Okay, cool.
Girl, I've done this before. This ain't my first rodeo.
Okay. I understand people's joy, and people have kids and they know the joy that it brings them. So I think they want me to experience that same joy, and I think that's super endearing and sweet of someone. But it's just not the time now. I have so much, and so does Ty, that we're trying to accomplish, and our plate is so full right now. So it's honestly not a conversation that comes up a lot right now.
No, and I feel like people have kids like later and later in life these days.
Yeah.
It's not like it used to be where it's like, oh my God, you're 30 and you don't have your kid,
Yeah.
where it's going to be unhealthy now. Like, I don't think it's necessarily like that anymore. Like, technology has gotten better.
Yeah.
So I think women can have babies later on in life.
Yeah.
It's a conversation that we'll have whenever we're ready to have it.
When the time is right, we don't really feel any pressure or any rush.
No, I have no pressure right now.
We're just
We have a
living every
16-year-old
day and
kid.
having a great time living.
Yeah, and we enjoy Erin.
Oh my gosh, we enjoy her so much. Maybe I should have a baby so she can help me. She's
true.
gonna leave. Okay, what do you think is the most challenging thing with Erin?
Ooh.
Teenagers in general, just like, I don't know. I
It's
don't want
like-
to call her lazy, but it's like sometimes she does things and I'm like, yo.
Well, it's the
Yeah.
laziness and like usually.
But like a lot of teenagers are lazy. I don't know. I feel like I was pretty lazy as a teenager. Maybe I wasn't. I don't know.
Well, we try to show her by us working like
Hard.
a good work ethic.
Yeah.
For me, I think it's like it's a fine line between having a teenager and letting them be independent and them having it's almost like a power struggle. with a teenager.
Yeah.
They want to have control. They want to be independent.
They want to grow up, but then
at the same time, they can't get basic things done a lot.
Yeah, so you're like, what in the world, girl? Like, I remember going over with her specifically one instance, Erin, you're not filling the laundry detergent up all the way, like, to the line, because it leaves, like, a soap substance on your clothes in the washer. So if you just fill it up below that, you'll have the perfect amount. And so she's like, no, I don't do that. I fill it up. And I'm like, okay, I'm just asking to make sure you know how to use it correctly. And she's like, no, I am. And I'm like, okay, great. And then I go in the laundry room a week later and their clothes are like exploding with suds. It's about to start coming out of the sides of the washer. And I'm like, Erin.
I remember this day.
Oh my Jesus, Lord, help me. I was like, you know what makes me mad? I just told you. Like, if I had never told you and you did this, I would be like, you know what? You didn't know. But I took the time out of my day to have the conversation and for you to halfway listen and be like, I don't. Oh, Lord. I can't. See, there's some things like that. I just...
But there's a lot of great though. It's been fun teaching her how to drive. Even though she panics and freaks out a lot, it's fun teaching her things. Mm-hmm. She does a lot of resisting for sure, but like we have to force her to do certain things, but it's good. It's all good in the hood.
So the next question I'll answer, because we're kind of doing a Q&A here, is, so there's 2 questions from the adoption video that I posted that a lot of people have wanted to know the answer of, and one is, which I kind of did answer in the video, it was, how's my relationship with my sister now? And it's a good relationship now. I will say, like I think I said in the video, we didn't have a good relationship whenever she was, you know, using, and, you know, I've always been there for her and she knows that. But, you know, it's hard sometimes when someone's dealing with that addiction and you don't know where they're at, you don't know where they're living, and they cause so much trouble in your lives, so to get along. But I'm just so happy she's doing better. And then the other question I got asked a lot was, where is my sister's other kid? So my sister has another kid, and she had her with her ex-husband, and that kid lives with the dad. The dad is so amazing. He's the sweetest guy in the world, and he has that daughter. So
I'm on to your crown.
But I am going home in November for Thanksgiving, and my sister will be there. So if we do have time, I might film with her. She said she's so down, but it's up to like the time we have there. It's so short, you know? So I'll try to. Okay guys, so my hair dye is in. I have my timer set here, and I got 17 more minutes. So we're gonna let it set, and then I'm gonna wash it out. So the instructions say next, which I'll do this in the shower. It says mix the rest of the color in when the timer goes off, bring the leftovers, the classic shampoo and conditioner and a fresh pair of gloves into the shower. You fill the bowl with leftover water, mixing the color, and then you pour the mixture over your head, and then you wash your hair with their shampoo and conditioner.
That's why you get extra gloves.
I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back in 17 minutes plus the shower, so probably 27 minutes. I'll be back in 27 minutes. Woo! Okay, the timer went off. I'm about to take off my makeup and hop in the shower. So, we will see the results in just a few minutes. I am all finished, guys. Oh my god, my roots look about 1,000,000 times better. Oh, I'm so excited. So I just blow dried my hair, like I rough dried it, and it looks so good. Erin, what do you think of my roots?
Oh my goodness. Oh, she doesn't have gray hair anymore.
Oh, it looks so much better, doesn't it?
It looks actually really good.
Girl, you getting pizza grease in there?
Oh, maybe just a little.
Mm-hmm.
You know why it looks good? Because I did it.
Tyler did it.
You did pretty good.
My sweet honey did it. It looks so good. Yeah, it looks amazing.
Wow.
Final results are in. The people like it.
You killed it.
So that's it for this video, guys.
That's it. We're going to eat pizza as a celebration. You want a bite?
I don't want to bite. There's my little bite. I'll take a bite here.
Come on.
Oh.
There she is. Give you like a jalapeno.
Oh my god.
All right. Peace out, Cub Scout.
We love you guys. Thank you for watching. You blowing a kiss with pizza?
Pizza kiss.
That's my girl. That's my girl. Thank you again to Esalon for sponsoring this video.